All right, guys, today we're going to be looking at Oklo. They are a nuclear company. The ticker symbol is OKLO, and it is absolutely ripping today. It is up 26% intraday. I wanted to bring you this video live because it is into a key level. As you can see, you can see this parallel that clearly defines price action, and you can see we are into the very top of this at about 133 is the absolute top. This, my friends, is a short in my opinion. It has a 7-day time count directly into this high from the bottom of this channel. This is a massive move, and this pivot top or this channel parallel top should be respected. Now, do I think it's going to pull back today? Maybe not. You could close at the highs. We could even have an overthrow into next week. But suffice to say, this is an amazing opportunity, in my opinion, to the downside. They did have some news on a potential nuclear deal. I think that's what's obviously catapulting the stock. But any move like this will have a retrace. Where do I see it coming? Likely to the back to the median line at a very minimum. Could potentially retest down even to the bottom of this, right? We had the breakout with no real retest, right? So if we look at this here and we do a line on that pivot top on the 3-wave extension, you can see we never had a proper retest. We just had a back test to there. So I do think this will come in. You know, could it go higher? Of course. But this is and looks like a really good short opportunity. If there's any level, it's going to be this one to stop this freight train. But yeah, I see it coming back to the median line, potentially even back eventually down to the bottom of the channel. But uranium's hot. So let's look at the uranium ETF. You can see on a fib-based extension that is almost into the 49.69 level. So I think this move is also getting a little ahead of itself and likely going to be exhausted here shortly, and that should align with an Oklo pullback. So we'll see where it finishes the day. I got a short off at 132.50, so that's where I'm short. It looks like it's pulling back just a little bit, but again, we are intraday. We'll see how this one ends. The weekly candle on this one is going to be insane. Look at this. Wow. Look at that move. So we might have one more move up on the weekly chart, but only at that point, I think, to come in. So as always, all of my analysis is for educational purposes. No financial advice given, just to show you what I'm doing and to share with you what I'm doing with my own personal trading portfolio. But yeah, this one looks good to the downside. So if you like the analysis today, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and leave comments below. Let me know what you think, what you're doing with Oklo. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you on the next one.